Well, Protectors, welcome back. Coach Tommy here. If you're new, welcome. Okay, I grew up having no help, no access, no gym, nobody to help me, and now I'm in a position and I'm grateful and thankful to be able to give back. So I'm just making this channel to help you guys, for those that might not have access, equipment, or anything like that. So if you want another coach, if you never had a coach, if you want a coach in your corner, consider subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hold a ball, position your hand on how to shoot it. The first thing I need you to do, okay, is find your ball, whatever size it may be. If you're younger, use a smaller ball. So if you're above age 10, go ahead and find a normal ball. If you have small hands and you're under age 10, then try to find a smaller ball. The first thing that I want you to do is to look for the needle, okay, and you're going to put your index finger there. Put your index finger on the needle, okay, and then you're just going to spread your fingers out and just do this quick test. You're going to move the ball side to side, and then try to get your palm underneath. All in one motion, all nice and quick. Move it around, okay? If the ball doesn't roll off your hand, or if you don't feel like you have to go catch it, then that might be a good option for you, okay? Option number 2, put your middle finger around the needle, okay? So the center of the ball, spread your fingers out, do the exact same test, move it side to side, okay? Try to transition it up. If that feels good, remember that one. The third option will be the split finger, okay? So index and middle is splitting that needle, and you're gonna do the exact same thing. So for my right hand, I feel most comfortable with the split finger. So find that needle again, split it, and then spread your fingers out and just get comfortable, okay? Remember, you're not trying to grip the ball, you're just trying to be relaxed with your hand, but your hands spread out as well. So either index finger, middle finger, or split finger. Okay, so once you get that, I want you to use your guide hand and then make a gun, okay? That means you're gonna use only 3 fingers on your guide hand when you're shooting. So find your position there with your shooting hand, and the other hand you're gonna find the side of the ball, 3 fingers only, not using this. And then we're gonna put it underneath, so now the pressure of my 3 fingers underneath will hold the ball. Okay, and then I can bring the ball up and transition the ball up into my set point. Okay, so if I'm doing it the other way, same thing here, split finger, 3 fingers, gun, find the side of the ball, okay? So now we can move through some positions to help you learn how to shoot. Find your hand position again, okay? I'm always taking my hand off the ball so I can get used to, get more comfortable, and I don't have to think about how I want to position my hand. So if I'm throwing the ball around like this, it's just for my hand to find a comfortable spot, and over time it will get more comfortable where you put your hand. Okay, so find that, okay, rest the ball right on your leg there, okay, it should be comfortable, small little bend in the wrist, it should not be all the way out here. Okay, so get your hand so the ball doesn't roll underneath you, so fingers underneath it. Okay, it doesn't need to be crazy like this where you're fully bent. Okay, so just so it's comfortable there, okay, the 3 fingers underneath, somewhere around the side of the ball, making the gun, okay? And then we're gonna start to move the ball back, okay? Roll the ball back up our body. We're pulling our elbow and shoulder back. And this will get us to position 1, okay? That's how I teach it. This is position 1, okay? Over here, 3 fingers, gun. Start here. Get your other hand on the ball, and then pull the ball back, roll the ball up your body, or move it back into position 1. Lower body, lower arm parallel, wrist cocked back, elbow back here, tricep breaking the plane of your back. Okay, so that's position 1. As we transition the ball, we get to even where our arm is parallel with our spine and our back. That's position 2. As we move up and get our transition the ball underneath, our palm will be flat. That's position 3. As we begin to shoot, as we begin to lift the elbow up higher, this is our lift point. This is position 4. And then we go into the release, and holding the follow through would be position 5. Okay, maybe doing it the other way will help you see it better. Okay, so again, find that position. You don't need to look every time for the needle, just throw it around, find it that it's comfortable. 3 fingers, gun, right here resting on the thigh. Okay, other hand underneath support, pull it back to position 1, position 2, position 3, up to the lift point, position 4, and then release position 5. Okay, that's how you shoot. Remember, arms are for aiming, and your arms are the most important part of your shot. Your arms are the only thing that controls the release. It's the last thing that touches the ball. So I'm not showing you how to position your legs. Okay, so it's not that important right now. Okay, so when you're shooting with your legs and bending, using your whole body, just find a position that might be comfortable. Most people are going to use hip width, slightly bent in the knees, hips and ankles and stuff like that. Or you can find a straight, you can find an angle, you can find one front, one kind of back. You can go wide, it's really up to you. Just don't choose anything super crazy like super all the way out here or too narrow. Okay, find a base that's comfortable for you for right now. But all I really want you to do is get really comfortable. Okay, finding your hand placement really quick, throwing that guide hand down it nice and easy, transitioning back through all the positions, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay, so get used to the arm stuff, ignore the leg stuff for now. Okay, I hope that helps. Coach Tommy, I'm out. Remember to take 14 minutes, 24 seconds, or 1% of your day to get better.